Now let's talk about the least exciting, but most important AI skill, and that is data. Listen carefully. Bad data destroys good AI every single time. Companies rush into AI implementation before organizing their systems. Customer data is incomplete. Files are scattered everywhere. Processes undocumented. Metrics untracked. Teams use different systems that don't communicate. Then they wonder why their AI outputs are garbage. Garbage in, garbage out. AI is only as smart as the information it can access. You cannot build intelligent automation on top of massive foundations. It's like building a skyscraper on quicksand. The businesses getting real results with AI have clean systems. Their data is structured, organized, searchable, documented, connected. That's why the AI performs better. And here's what most people miss. In the future, data organization itself becomes a superpower because AI agents, AI assistants, AI workflows, they all depend on accessible information. The people who know how to structure knowledge, those people become incredibly valuable. This is what companies are now prioritizing: knowledge management, SOP documentation, CRM organization, workflow mapping, centralized information systems. Not because it sounds exciting, but because organized data creates intelligent businesses. Before you invest thousands into AI tools, ask yourself, is your business information actually ready for AI? This is what companies are now prioritizing: knowledge management. Because the companies that win with AI won't just have the best tools, they'll have the best systems behind them. If you want to help organizing your business for AI readiness, send me a message. That's where real transformation starts.